Hi, I'm Harish Goteti and welcome back to my channel. Continuing our Amazon Quick Suite journey, this video is probably the most important one so far because the question really is Amazon Quick worth the investment, time, obviously money, and the change you have to go through if you want to implement it in your accounting firm, practice firm, or within your business. So this video will explain what is the ROI, in a simple way, and also is it really worth it. So let's dive in. Before we jump into Amazon Quick and what it is about, let's understand the core pillars of generative AI. The generative AI core pillars are really about enhancing citizen experience, whether it is customer, whether it is the end user. It's really about improving the use cases generally are under these four core pillars, right? Enhance citizen experience, boost productivity, improve business operations, and finally creativity and content creation. So these are the four pillars of generative AI, and almost all the use cases fall under these four core pillars. All right, now let's understand how Amazon Quick fits into these, how it helps improve these core pillars, right? So with Amazon Quick, how do we enhance the citizen experience? You have quick chat agents. Basically, you don't need to search for information. You just type it, you get the answers. Then you have the quick spaces. You don't have you don't have to search for things in 100 places. Everything is in a single in a single place, right? Then about boost productivity, you have quick index, right? You can go ahead and index everything in your company. Then you have quick research, where you can go ahead and do deep research with third party data assets or your own data or even websites. Then you have the browser extensions, which integrate with Slack, Teams, Outlook, that will accelerate your productivity, right? So that's boost productivity. About the third pillar, improve business operations, obviously quick spaces is a game changer. Then you have quick site, which will give you all converts data into insights. And then you have quick automate, where you can build complex automations, complex business workflows that you can automate with quick automate. Finally, content and creativity, like I showed in the previous video. If you haven't watched, go ahead and watch the video where I showed you Amazon a quick user interface, where in quick flows you already have pre-built flows to generate social media content, generate letters and other things, which will help you to create new content rapidly. So that's content and creativity. So across the spectrum, if you see all the four core pillars of generative AI, Amazon Quick touches every aspect of it. That's why it is so I believe it is so valuable, and I'm so invested in this product because it has been a while since we saw something so which can solve multiple problems with one small single subscription, right? So that is what I believe Amazon Quick is. So now, before we dive into about and talk about ROI, with the research shows, and this is from AWS, one of the AWS slides, it says like employees spend time, or waste time sorting through fragmented data, like trying to gather data from multiple sources. We try to consolidate the information, we try to analyze the data, and hey, once you know it, we want to consult with experts to see what we did is true or not. So all of this, it's like about 40 hours wasted in a month on average, is what the research found. And this is something we have to understand, and I'm sure everyone of us have gone through it, and we are going through it every week in and week out, because we don't find what we want. We'll go through and search all our OneDrive files, where did I put it, and we are doing that, right? So it's a common thing, and we don't estimate the amount of time we are spending on those things, but this is the average if you go through the math, right? So now let's understand. Let's just take an example of a business with 20 employees, whether it's an accounting firm, whether it's a legal firm, whether it is any business SMB, where let's say you have 20 employees. This is just a normal math. You can use this as a foundation to do your own calculation. So this is, don't take this as a as a given thing, or what I am saying is I'm just giving you an insight or giving you a foundation to work with respect to ROI calculation, right? Let's say you have 23 employees and you are paying them $40 an hour, an average pay across the 20 employees, and number of monthly hours, let's say they are working for 145 hours a week, right? And so basically you are spending around $116,000 a month for those 20 employees in terms of salaries, right? So let's just say average. So the research says 40 hours are wasted. Let's be conservative. Let's just say there is only with all these data in multiple sources and all that stuff, 30 hours of per employee is getting is misutilized, right? So let's just say it's 30 hours, which comes to $24,000 a month. So that's a lot. Like $24,000 a month is something that that goes into searching of documents, analyzing it, consolidating it, all that kind of stuff. Now let's imagine you implement Amazon Quick, within your business, right? So let's just do the calculation. So let's say you opted for enterprise subscription along with infrastructure fee. Total monthly spend including additional AIs, let's just say it's about $1,500 a month, right? Including additional AI hours and stuff. So let's also I say the average hours wasted, reduction of, I'm not saying hey we'll reduce all the 100% of your wasted hours. Let's just say 50%, right? Let's just take a conservative number as 50%, and let's say 15 hours you are giving back to your employees so they can do a much strategic tasks or better activities, right? So so even if you say you're saving 15 hours per employee in a month, that's total savings of $12,000. So this is a simple math that shows the power of quick implementing quick in your business, so that how much you can save. It's not just, since money and numbers are easy to interpret and easy to understand, I put this in this context, but imagine the amount of the end user experience, how quickly they can get answers, how quickly the moment, if you are doing your delivering your services quickly, how satisfied your customers will be, and which will give you more referrals. So the possibilities are many, right? But I'm just giving you a foundation to work with respect to the Amazon Quick running in your business. So I hope now you get it, and you understand, is it worth the investment of your time and resources to implement this even at a department level, to see how it works. So if you are interested, let me know. And also, if you like this video, go ahead, like the video and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.